Okay, next see a division of integer. In that first question, evaluate each of the following. Evaluate each of the following. So first one, minus 30 divided by 10. Minus 30 divided by 10. So first see how to divide minus 30 by 10. So see minus 30 divided by 10. So first write like this, 30 divided by 10. Now see the sign, in the numerator the sign is a minus and in the denominator sign is a plus. You know, plus minus, plus minus minus, right? Plus minus minus. Here sign is not there, means you can consider there is a sign that is a plus. Sometimes they will not mention sign plus. Okay, then you have to write the sign plus. So plus minus minus. Okay, plus minus minus. Now see one more thing, you can cancel 0. If 0 if you get in both numerator and denominator, then you can cancel like this. Okay, you can cancel this 0 and this 0. This 0 and this 0 get cancel. Okay, otherwise see the number in numerator and denominator, here 30 and here it is 10. So you know 10 divides 30, even 10 divides 10. So 10 divides both numerator and denominator. So directly you can divide like this. 10, how much are 10? 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes are 30. Okay, the answer is see plus minus minus, what is remaining? 3 by 1. So what is 3 by 1? 3 by 1 is 3. 3 by 1 means it is 3. Clear? So that I said 0 0 get cancelled, that you know how to get, how this will get cancelled. So 0 and 0 get cancelled, then what is remaining? 3 by 1. So that means in both numerator and denominator, if the last digit is 0, then you can cancel this. Okay, remaining number 3 by 1. So like that also we can divide. So this is another method how we divide both numerator and denominator. So 10 table divides both numerator and denominator. So the answer we got minus 3. Okay, now see the second question B, that is 50 divided by minus 5. So that means plus 50 divided by minus 5. So plus 50 divided by minus 5. Now see your sign is plus and here it is minus. You know, plus minus minus, different sign, right? Plus minus minus, and the number is in the numerator is 50 and in the denominator is 5. So you know 5 divides 50, correct? So we can divide directly. 5, how much are 5? 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 0 right as it is. That means 5 how much are 50? 5 tens are 50, correct? 5 tens are 50. So the answer is minus 10. That means minus 10 by 1 we can write directly minus 10. Clear? So the answer is minus 10. This is the second question. So now we will see third question, that is minus 36 divided by minus 9. Minus 36 divided by minus 9. So here see the sign, both numerator and denominator having same sign, right? That means minus minus. You know, minus minus, that is a plus, correct? Minus minus is a plus. So now divide, whether 9 divides 36. Yes, 9 table divides 36. So divide directly. 2 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Is it correct? Yes, the answer is 4. So answer is 4 by 1, that means plus 4. So plus 4 is the answer. So you have to check whether the number is divisible by same number, both numerator and denominator. Then only we can divide. Clear? First we have to see the sign. Even in addition, even in multiplication, even division also, subtraction also, you have to see the sign, then you have to do the calculation. Clear? So in division, see here minus minus, so the sign will get a plus. Then see the number 9 and 36. So 9 table divides both 9 and 36, correct? So 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So the answer is plus 4 by 1, we will get a plus 4. Clear? Yes. Now one more question, that is D, minus 49 divided by plus 49. Okay, minus 49 divided by plus 49. So divide this, 49 divided by 49. So D, the sign is here plus minus and here sign is a plus. So you know minus plus different sign, so subtraction, that means minus. Okay, minus. So now 49 is in both numerator and denominator. Same number is in both numerator and denominator. That means this 49 will divide. 49 ones are 49 ones are, correct? 49 ones are 49, here also ones are, correct? So now answer is 1 by 1. No, here in the denominator is 1, so we can write directly the answer in the numerator, that is minus 1. Clear? So minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. Okay, next question. Evaluate each of the following. That E, question number E, say 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. That means here the in the numerator here it is integer is one integer, that is 13. But in the denominator here this is given division. So this is what? Division. Clear? Divided by, so in the denominator the integers are minus 2 and plus 1. Okay, here they written integer, negative integer in bracket. You can first in between before this term there is no sign, right? So you can no need of writing bracket in first. The next, if you get any numbers in negative numbers, negative integer, then you have to write in the bracket. Okay, so first integer, if it is negative, you can write like this, no need of writing in a bracket. Okay, next integer, if you get negative, you have to write in a bracket. So see the denominator, here it is minus 2 and here plus 1. Okay, now see the numerator 13, so that write as it is. First you have to simplify the denominator. See, in the denominator two integers are given, right? So we cannot divide like this, 2 ones are 2, how much the 13, and again 1, how much the 1, how much the 13. This is not possible. So what you have to do, first you have to simplify the denominator. First you have to solve this denominator. If you get one integer, by that integer you have to divide the numerator. Okay, so now see the denominator, here it is minus 2 and here it is one more integer, that is plus 1. See here minus plus, addition or subtraction, say different sign, minus plus different sign, you know, subtraction, correct? Different sign means subtraction. So 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? That is 1. So say minus 2 plus 1, different sign, subtraction. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So next you have to see greater number sign. So which is greater number? 2 is greater than 1, right? So 2 is greater, that sign is a minus. So answer is a minus 1. Okay, in the denominator we will get a minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1, that is a minus 1. Okay, 13 divided by minus 1. So what is the sign of 13? Is it given sign? No. Then what you have to write here? Plus. Okay, sign is not mentioned. So you have to write here sign plus and plus minus, different sign, right? So what is plus minus in division? Plus minus minus. Okay, plus minus minus. Now one is in the denominator, right? You know, a divided by 1, that is a. So answer is minus 13, correct? The denominator it is 1, so you can neglect that, or you can 1 1s 1 13s, so we'll get same answer, right? So that is minus 13. The answer is minus 13. So now we'll see second question, that is 0 divided by minus 12. So F, question number F, 0 divided by minus 12. So you know 0 by anything it is a 0, correct? So the answer is 0. For 0, is there any sign? No, we will not write any sign to 0, right? There is no sign for 0. So here the answer is 0 divided by 12 is 0. So what is it correct? 12 divided by 0. It's not possible, right? It's not defined. 0 by 12 it is a 0. Okay. Now next the question number third one, it is the G. See here, minus 31 divided by minus 13 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. Minus 30 plus minus 1 is in the denominator. So in the numerator here it is minus 31, and in the denominator, okay, and in the denominator is minus 30 minus 30 plus minus 1. So I'll write here minus 31 by, see, before this term minus 30, is there any other sign or number? No. So we can write, no need of writing in the bracket, direct we can write minus 30, okay, minus 30. So here plus into, in between the sign there is a bracket, right? So plus minus 1, plus minus 1 means plus into minus 1, plus into minus 1 means bracket means multiplication. So how to remove this bracket? So how to remove this bracket? So what you have to do? So minus 31 divided by minus 31 divided by minus 30. Now first you have to remove this bracket. So multiply the sign, minus into plus, plus into minus, it is a minus. So plus into minus, minus, the number is 1, correct? Plus into minus, minus, then write 1 as it is. Now see the denominator. Again the denominator is having two integers, that is 30 and minus 1. Minus 30 minus 1. How to simplify? Minus 30 minus 1. See the sign is here minus, and here also it is a minus, means same sign. If you get same sign, then you have to add. So 30 plus 1, that is a 31. 30 plus 1, 30 plus 1, that is 31. So which is a greater number? 30 is greater, that sign is a minus, okay. Minus 31 is a answer. Same sign, minus minus, then you have to add in addition, clear? So 30 plus 1, that is a 31. So which is greater, 30 or 1? 30 is greater, that sign is a minus. So we'll get answer minus 31. Denominator, after simplifying, we'll get answer minus 31, okay. Next, see here, in the numerator and the denominator having same sign, minus minus. So minus minus, that is plus, correct? Minus minus plus. Now see the number, simplify this. 31 in both numerator and denominator, right? So 31, how much the 31? 31 ones are 31, 31 ones are 31. So the answer is 1 by 1. So 1 divided by 1, that is 1. So answer is plus 1, okay, plus 1. 31 by 31 will get answer 1, because 31 divides 31. So answer is plus 1. Okay. Now similarly how to solve H and I. Okay. evaluate each of the following. So first one, say minus 36 divided by 12. Minus 36 divided by 12, again divided by 3. So this term you have to divide again by 3. So first we will divide by 12. Okay. So first see the question. Minus 36 divided by minus 36 divided by 12. Minus 36 divided by 12 means plus 12. So now see the sign here, minus and here it is plus. So in between division is given. So correct. So 36 divided by 12. See the sign, minus plus different sign, subtraction. So 12 and 36. 12 and 36 is divisible by same table, that is a 12 table. 12 divides 36, right? 12 how much the 12? 12 ones are 12. So 12 how much the 36? 12 threes are 36. So the answer is minus 3 by 1. In the numerator 3, in the denominator is 1. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 3 by 1, that is minus 3. Minus 3 by 1. In the denominator it is 1, then you can neglect that, or that you know rule, a divided by 1, any integer by 1 means you will get same integer, right? So minus 3 by 1 will get minus 3. Okay. So now this is the answer of this, correct? Minus 36 divided by 12 will get minus 3. So again that minus 3 you have to divide by plus 3. So this divided by this, what answer will get in this? That you have to divide by 3. Clear? Again you have to divide by 3. So now we will see minus 3 divided by 3 plus 3. Here sign is not mentioned. So you write plus 3. So minus 3 divided by plus 3. So divide plus minus minus, plus minus minus. Now divide 3 ones are 3 ones are. So 1 by 1. So minus 1 by 1, that is answer is minus 1. Minus 1 by 1, the answer is minus 1. Okay. Now next, see I question. Question number I. So minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So how to divide? See here. Minus 6 plus 5. First simplify this. Okay. Now in the denominator divided, right? This is division, divided by minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So minus 6 plus 5. So first simplify this. See the sign, different sign, minus plus different sign, you know, subtraction. Different sign means subtraction. So 6 minus 5, that is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. Which is a greater number? 6. What is the sign? Minus. So minus 1 by denominators here, minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, different sign, you know, subtraction. So minus plus different sign, subtract this, 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? It is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So which is greater number? 2 is greater, correct? So what is the sign? Minus. The sign is minus. Greater number is 2, that sign is minus. Now simplifying 6 plus 5 will get minus 1. After simplifying minus 2 and plus 1, that is also minus 1. This understood? Minus 6 plus 5. Different, minus plus different sign, subtraction. So 6 minus 5, that is 1. And minus 2 plus 1, subtract 2 minus 1, that is 1. Greater number is 2, that sign is a minus. Now see, minus minus, minus minus, same sign in both numerator and denominator, but this is what a division. So this is division. So you know in division minus minus plus, okay, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, and 1 by 1, that is 1 in the denominator. So it is having 1, so we can write 1 by 1 means that is the answer is 1. Clear? Yes. So this is the solution for this question. Sometime we'll get integer, one integer in both numerator denominator, then we can divide directly. But in this case, see, first you have to simplify, then you have to divide. Clear? Simplify, then divide. Okay? Yes. Thank you.